It doesn't make sense, thought Sven, to use a 3,000-pound vehicle to move a 180-pound body. It's inefficient, energy and time-wise, to go the last mile. URB-E dreamed of an electric vehicle that could fill this need and delight their customers. URB-E is a story of concept to consumer, from a zippy electric scooter startup to crowdfunding success to victory at CES 2017. Entrepreneurial stories like this should sound familiar to anyone in product development. And behind most of today's innovations, the Solidworks community. Solidworks enables efficient development processes, fast concept evaluation, drawingless manufacturing, stunning media and consumables, online marketplaces, and seamless data and project management. Want to learn how you can drive success with your CAD tools and beyond? Join us for a half-day live event where you can experience a complete end-to-end product development workflow. We'll see you there.